Welcome to Wealth Harbor Network. Imagine two people. Both earn the same salary. Both work equally hard. But after 10 years, one has built wealth, while the other is still living paycheck to paycheck. What made the difference? It wasn't luck. It wasn't intelligence. It was financial behavior. Most people think that earning more money automatically makes them rich, but history proves otherwise. Many high-income earners struggle financially. At the same time, many ordinary people quietly build impressive wealth. The secret isn't income. The secret is what you do with your income. The first mistake most people make is lifestyle inflation. Every time they get a raise, their expenses increase too. A bigger phone, a bigger car, a bigger house. Instead of growing their investments, they grow their monthly bills. The second mistake is not paying themselves first. Before spending money on anything else, successful people save and invest a portion of every paycheck. They treat investing like a monthly bill, not an optional expense. The third mistake is waiting for the perfect time. Many people say, "I'll start investing next year. I'll invest when the market falls. I'll invest after I earn more." Years pass. Nothing changes. The perfect time rarely arrives. The best time to start is as early as possible, because time is the greatest wealth-building tool. Thanks to compound growth, small investments made consistently can become surprisingly large over many years. The fourth mistake is buying liabilities instead of assets. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. Assets have the potential to put money into your pocket. The wealthy focus on building assets first. The fifth mistake is making emotional financial decisions. Fear causes people to sell too early. Greed causes people to buy too late. Successful investors follow a plan instead of following emotions. Finally, remember this. Financial freedom isn't created by one big decision. It's built through hundreds of small, smart decisions, made consistently over time. Start saving. Start investing. Stay patient. Stay disciplined. Your future self will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to Wealth Harbor Network, and turn on notifications for more investing and personal finance lessons. Thank you for watching.